In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing and try-on of our two brand new kits. We have the Natural Kit, which includes our baby, cheeky, and classy lashes. And then we have our Dramatic Kit, which includes our sassy, money, and bossy lashes. We selected our three most natural looking lashes for the Natural Kit, of course, and our three most dramatic lashes for our Dramatic Kit. So let's just get right into the try-on. First up in the Natural Kit is our Baby Lash. Our Baby Lash is simple and versatile. It's our most universal lash and it will fit all eye shapes. It's the perfect accent lash for everyday wear. Just add Baby Lash to any makeup look for a subtle but beautiful pop. Next up in the Natural Kit is our Cheeky Lash. The Cheeky Lash is the smallest accent lash we have as a part of our OG collection. It's perfect for those of you out there with smaller eyes and the woman that likes to go lash incognito. We like to think these are small but mighty. Last up in our Natural Kit is our Classy Lash. Classy Lash is the perfect way to supplement your own lashes for a really natural look. You can wear them every day and all day comfortably. These are our top pick for women with smaller eyes because they're not so overwhelming. Next, getting into the Dramatic Kit, our first lash is the Sassy Lash. The Sassy Lash is our best-selling lash for a reason. It's our most natural mink lash. Sassy looks great on all different eye shapes. When you're looking for a bit of luxury in your look, but you don't want to go too dramatic or glam, Sassy is your perfect everyday choice. Next up in our Dramatic Kit is our Money Lash. Our Money Lash has a unique distribution of lashes to give it that full look expected from a name like Money. The lashes are evenly distributed rather than cat-eye tapered like the Sassy Lash, and Money Lash is ideal for adding more drama to big, beautiful eyes. It's perfect for the girl who wants to make a statement. Last but not least in the Dramatic Kit, we have the Bossy Lash. The Bossy Lash was designed for large, beautiful eyes. While all of our lashes will garner a lot of attention and interest, the Bossy Lash will scream your presence across the room. The Bossy Lash is by far one of our most dramatic lashes, and if you're really looking to amp up your look, this lash will definitely be for you. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give us a thumbs up down below, and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.